Artificial intelligence is changing the way teams work. But for many organizations, knowing how to use it effectively is still a challenge. That's where SkillSpout comes in. With Momentum AI, they help real teams build real skills in a structure that meets them right where they are. In this story, you'll hear directly from the Greater Cleveland Partnership, one of Ohio's leading business organizations, about how SkillSpout helped their teams move from uncertainty to action.
AI isn't the future, AI is today. And here at GCP, we knew the value of making sure that our team was skilled up. People were out there using a lot of their own tools, and there were no real guardrails or policies in place to make sure that our organization was protected, our data was protected. But then on the positive side, we wanted to make sure that our people knew the opportunities that existed to use AI to make their jobs more efficient, make them more productive.
The key thing that we were missing is a sort of organization-wide perspective that was really connecting our strategy for upskilling our team members around AI to our larger mission.
We surveyed our team and we had them evaluate a few things. One, what's their personal use of AI? What's their use of AI in the office? What do they find to be their concerns about AI? How are they using it today? And then how might they want to use it? And that assessment really showcased the fact that we really were all over the place. And so when we found a resource like SkillSpout, it was a game changer for us. And we realized that this was our opportunity to really dive in and make sure that our entire organization was getting the same kind of training on AI so that we were all speaking the same language and using the right tools. The work that we've done with SkillSpout has been a phased approach, which has worked really well for us. Started with kind of the education, even down to like, what is AI, explaining the difference between machine learning, AI, creating agents, what does all this mean? And then what we really have started to do as the classes have progressed is kind of jumped into more hands-on work.
The nice thing about the hands-on portion of the program is that we were really working alongside our colleagues and with support from the SkillSpout team.
Mel is showing us examples of how she's built specific agents to help with different work streams, or how she's created prompts and how you build the most successful prompt. And so it's allowed us to do a lot of hands-on learning.
What stood out most to me was well thought out and well-ordered process for adoption and breaking that into manageable stages in a way that you can walk your team through and help them understand kind of where we are, where we're going. We're beginning to see the potential for where it can apply across the organization. We are a membership organization. We are a civic organization. That means that we're always out talking to businesses and other organizations. For us to have the full value of what we're learning in those conversations, we need to put it into our CRM, and we need to mine that data.
We have an individual who works on our fundraising platform, helping to raise funds for the organization through grants. So he ended up creating 2 agents. One that goes out and searches. So this agent is going out and identifying opportunities that align with GCP's priorities. And then he has an AI agent who writes the proposal. And what was great for that individual is it really ended up freeing up about 20% of his time so that he could focus on more strategy around grants. Every organization knows the importance of embracing AI. But I think it's scary. I think people don't know where to start. And so having an organization like SkillSpout, who makes you feel comfortable, who allows you to have those conversations about where you want your organization to be, where's the baseline, and really develops a process and a structure and framework that helps you get the most out of your engagement with them, I think it makes them a great partner.
Ready to see how AI can work for your team? Visit skillspout.com to schedule a consultation or download your free readiness kit today.